In terms of zinc toxicity, we oftentimes see reddening of the plant itself. And that's shown in the picture in the left-hand corner. And you may think that this is a phosphorus deficiency, but what we see is reddening throughout almost the entire plant, not just the older leaves like you would see in a phosphorus deficiency, but some of the newer leaves are showing this as well. But that's not the only thing that you might observe. With toxicities, as the toxicity becomes more and more severe, plants suffer in terms of above ground growth. And so this is common for all toxicities, including zinc, that as you increase the concentration, the above ground growth decreases. And if you were to pull the plants out of these pots and look at the roots, you would notice that below ground growth also suffers. In extreme cases, the entire plant will simply die, all right? Just like you see in this picture of this poor sugar beet. And again, this is common for all toxicities. When any toxicity is extreme enough, macro or micronutrient, a plant will die. That's Ippo-Liebig's law of the maximum. Remember? Okay. So here's another example of zinc toxicity. And this picture was taken very close to where the grass that I showed you was suffering from an iron toxicity. The area that is bare in the foreground in the picture on the left-hand side is bare for a reason, because of zinc toxicity. In fact, this entire area that you see in this picture on the left used to suffer from zinc toxicity, and it's been reclaimed, but every once in a while, a seep comes up out of the ground, and so water finds its way underneath the soil surface to a pathway to the above ground and evaporates and leaves salt behind. In this case, it's zinc sulfate or zinc sulfide. And it's a salt. And if you were to look at it under the electron microscope, it looks very pretty, like these little tiny triangles or pyramids that form within the soil. In this soil itself, the reason why plants simply died, they're totally dead. And there were plants in this spot, in this location at one point in time, but the plants are completely dead because the concentration of zinc in this area of this field is over 30,000 parts per million zinc, and plants only need about 2 parts per million. So this is a major issue at this site.